how to free up storage space on iPhone. So if you want to free up storage space on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. From the settings, you need to just scroll down, go with general, and under general, you need to go with iPhone storage. Now this will show you how much storage you have available and how much you have that you're currently using. Now this will give you recommendations for freeing up storage space. So in my case, the photos or the Snapchat application or WhatsApp is taking a lot of space in my case. So I'll just simply go with the photos section and I'll just simply clear some space. So tap on it and clear the space, or just simply go with the photos application and delete some videos or some photos and your storage will be done. So you need to just simply go with the first or the second applications that are using the most of the storage and just delete some space from that application. So that's it. That's how you can free up space on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.